Welcome back to science class. Today I'll be showing you how to do the drawing ions assignment. So after you watch the video, I want you to either get your physical notebook to make a science journal entry, which is probably the easiest thing to do since drawing online is always a little bit tricky, but I'll be showing you how to do it with an online program so it'll be easier to see. But once you've made a science journal prompt, I want you to name it Chemistry Drawing Ions. We're going to be drawing Bohr models of ions instead of atoms. I'll be showing you the difference there and how to do that. And then once you've done that, you can also click on the image below. You're going to work on the prompts. So you're going to draw these four ions: Li plus, K plus, Br minus, and Cl minus. Those are all just atoms with one different electron configuration, and we'll do that in the video here. So here's an example of what we're going to be drawing. Something like this. Obviously, it's not the most beautiful thing in the world, but that's okay. It's scientific and accurate. Here's the periodic table of elements, which we'll need to finish this assignment. Again, we'll look at the ions that we'll be drawing here. We're going to start off by drawing lithium. Now, I'm using a program called Whiteboard, which is great. It's a free Microsoft program that you can get, but you don't have to use that. You can use something else if you're better drawing something else. So here we go. I'm going to start off by drawing, hopefully if it loads correctly, there we go. I'm going to start off by drawing the symbol, which is going to be Li plus. So that's going to be in place of our nucleus. Li plus. Plus for an ion is going to mean it has a positive 1 charge, which means that it has one more proton or positively charged ion particle than it does electrons. So we essentially need to draw a lithium Bohr model, but with one less electron. Okay, so lithium on the periodic table is number 3, which means it has 3 protons and 3 electrons as a neutral atom. So normally we would draw it like this with our 1, 2, 3 electrons, right? But we are going to be taking one of these electrons away to make it have a positive 1 charge. So if we erase one of the electrons here and its ring, since there's nothing there, we now have an Li positive. Okay, so that is how to draw a lithium ion. Let's do one more example here. We'll do one of the negative ones. So let's do bromine, Br minus. Let's find bromine on the periodic table here. Where is bromine? There's bromine. We're actually not going to do that. I'll have it changed. We're going to do a fluorine ion here. So you'll see that it'll change. But fluorine is a chemical number, atomic number 9. So let's draw F for fluorine. And fluorine is going to want to have its outer shell filled, which means it's going to want to get one more electron on its own. So fluorine is going to try to become a negative ion, or F negative. So let's write F negative. You'll see this in the video that it'll say F negative instead of Br negative. Okay. So fluorine has an atomic number of 9, which means normally there's 9 electrons in our electron rings, but it's negative, which means there's one more. So for fluorine, we're going to draw our 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that would be fluorine as an atom, right? But we are going to do it as an ion and give it one extra electron, which gives it now a negative 1 charge. Boom, there is fluorine ions. So I won't draw the other two on screen because I do want you to think about how to draw them. But essentially, if the charge is positive, you take away 1 electron. If the charge is negative, you give it 1 extra electron. Okay, I look forward to seeing your drawings, and email me or ask me a question if you need any help.